We have a term in front of a bracket, which means you have to distribute it over everything inside the bracket. So what is negative 3 over 7 times A? Negative 3 over 7A. We're good with that so far? What is negative, I'll write it over here, negative 3 over 7 times negative 2, put that over 1. It's a fraction. We're multiplying fractions. How do you multiply fractions? Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. What's negative 3 times negative 2? Positive or negative? Positive 6. What's 7 times 1? We're good with that so far? I'm just distributing the number in front of the bracket. Equals negative 3. Now this is easy because both of your fractions are over 7. What's the opposite of divided by 7? If I multiply that by 7, it cancels it out. If I multiply this by 7, it cancels it out. So what do I have to do here? Multiply by 7. So what am I left with? Negative 3a plus 6 equals, what's negative 3 times positive 7 is negative 21. Are we good so far? Can you solve this now? What's the opposite of plus 6? So I have to take away 6 here. I'm left with negative 3a because I've gotten rid of that. Equals, what's negative 21 take away 6? Negative 27. Use a calculator if you're not sure. To isolate a, what do I have to do to both sides now? Divide by negative 3. A equals, what's negative times a negative divided by a negative is a positive. 27 divided by 3 is 9. A is equal to 9.